great boys and girls of ambassadors. You're welcome to Mathematics episode 4. Get your writing materials close by as we begin right away. Ensure you pay attention. God bless you. We are still on algebraic expressions. In episode 3, you were taught algebraic expressions. What are algebraic expressions? An algebraic expression is an expression that comprises both numbers and variables together with at least one arithmetic operator. You were also taught simple equation, parts of simple equation made up of a basic arithmetic operator, a constant, and a variable. Of course, a variable is an unknown number. Now, in episode 4, our focus is on addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. During and at the end of this lesson, you should be able to add and subtract like and unlike fractions. Add and subtract like and unlike fractions. Also, you should be able to solve like and unlike terms in simple equations. You will have this understanding if you pay attention. Let's start. Like fraction. Like fractions are fractions with common denominators. The addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions is no different from the irregular and the usual fraction you have been taught. When we have common denominators, you only attend to their numerators. Let's do that. The LCM here is 5. And so, what are we to add? 6x plus 3x minus 4x. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. We have here 5x all over 5. To further simplify, we can cancel this. X equals, final answer equals x. Have you seen that? It's not different from the regular addition and subtraction of fractions you have been taught. Let's take another example. This time around we have unlike fraction. Unlike fractions are fractions with varied denominators. The denominators here are 10 and 5. So what do you do when you have this kind of fraction in the normal addition and subtraction of fractions? You first of all find the LCM. Just looking at the denominators, the LCM there is 10. 10 goes into itself once. 1 times 9 is 9x. 5 goes into 10 is 2. 2, we multiply the 2 by the 3x. And the last fraction now. 5 goes into 10 is still 2. We multiply the 2 by the 2x. Let's simplify. We'll be having 9x. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. All of them over the denominator 10. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 take away 4 is 11. So we have here 11x all over 10. 11x all over 10. If you want to further simplify to a mixed fraction, you can go ahead. But there is nothing wrong leaving it as 11x all over 10. Let's take more examples. Here we have a mixed fraction. It's still the same method. What do you do when you have this kind of question? You first of all attend to the whole numbers. What are the whole numbers here? 5 minus 2. So we first of all write the first answer, 5 minus 2. This will give us 3. That's the first answer. Now let's attend to the fraction. What is the LCM there? The LCM there is 4. Do you agree with me? 4 goes into itself is once, so 1 times 3y remains 3y. You keep the minus there. This 2 goes into 4 is 2. 2 times 1y is 2y. Do we understand to this point? Let's simplify. 3y minus 2y is y, or we say 1y. Still all over 4. That is the second answer. So the final answer is you attach the whole number answer, which was 3, to the fraction. So the final answer here will give us 3 whole number. Let's shift it to avoid confusion. The final answer here is 3 whole number, 1y all over 4. Have you seen that? 3 whole number, 1y all over 4. It's the same method, you can see. Let's do solving like terms in simple equation. What do we mean by like terms? The variable there is alike, and that's letter P. So when you see this kind of question, the first thing you do, you bring the arithmetic operator that has a positive sign to the front so that it will enable you solve this question in a more easier way. So we do this. 7p plus 8p minus 6p minus 2p minus 2p. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So we have here 5p. Final answer. All I did was just to rearrange the question by bringing the positive number forward and I send the negative behind. That's all. Let's take another example, this time around with unlike terms in simple equation. Look at this. Why is it called unlike terms? Because we have different variables, variable t, variable u, and a variable v. We bring them together, bring the like terms together. Let's do that. 3t minus t. We are through with the t's. Take the next variable plus 4u minus 4u. We are through with the u variable. The last set of variable is plus 5v minus 2v. Let's do that. 5v minus 2v. We can simplify. 3t minus t is 2t. Plus u plus 4u minus 4u. What happens? Plus minus is minus. Remember, you were informed, you were given that information in episode 3. Plus minus is minus. What should you do? 4 minus 4 is 0. So we cannot have any answer with variable u. Plus 5v minus 2v is 3v. We have simplified this equation. Final answer, 2t plus 3v. Answer. We have come to the end of episode 4, part 1. Ensure you practice the various exercises in your textbook. When you have any challenge, you know what to do. Contact me in my personal chat. I'll be pleased to attend to you. For now, take this homework. Number 1, 5y over 9 minus 2y over 9 plus 3y over 9. Number 2, 3d over 2 plus 3d over 6 minus 5d over 3. Number 3, minus 8a minus 4b plus 9c plus a plus 5b minus 6c. Ensure you do your homework and of course submit it when you're done. For now, see you in episode 4 part 2.